Understood? So I said that which are the we have seen? Yakch. Which are we have seen? Yakch. You know that it is in a kind of what I said that caretaker of what natural resources, and it is also considered as a fog god from the. And then Mathura के पास क्या है? Parakham. Which I said that. And then परखता है यक्ष सभी को क्या करता है? Who will get the best natural resource? आपके पास चाहिए लाइफ में अच्छा natural resource तो यक्ष will judge you and then give you lots of natural resources. Yakshini, and then it is from the Didarganj fog goddess. Didarganj in Patna, nearby Patna. Understood? Yakshini. And then we have been able to see the sculpture of, I said that, nude male figure from Lohanipur. And all these are from the, what is the name? I said Mauryan time. And which are the first we have seen? Tell me first. Which is the first? Yaksh. And where did we have been able to see? Parkhan. And then it is nearby Mathura. Parkham nearby. तो परखता है यक्षिणी. यस, यक्षिणी कहाँ पर है? नियर पटना, दीदारगंज. और यक्षिणी का लोग दीदार लेना चाहते हैं. दीदारगंज नियर बाई पटना. And then I said that a nude male figure, I said that Lohanipur. Thereafter we have seen Patna. Images on Mauryan pillars. And then Sarnath four loins we have seen. And then we have seen Dhauli elephant, Odisha, Rampura bull, so many that we have seen. Yes or not? So we have been able to see the best sculpture of pillars and all, and here and there, and we have been able to see so many Yaksha, Yakshani, and then Bharut, and here and there some figures we are the, and then part of what is in Parkham. Parkham kahan par hai? Mathura. Where is the Parkham? And then which figure is there? Yaksh. Yakshani at the Didarganj, and near Lohanipur, I said that Patna. That is a lion capital from Ashoka Stamba, Sarnath, Uttar Pradesh. It is made up of stones. It comprises of four lions standing back to back, mounted on a cylindrical abacus. The abacus features sculpture of an elephant and galloping horse, a bull, and a lion, separated by intervening. इसमें क्या चीज नहीं है? Sorry. Intervening 24 is called on lotus flowers. कैसा है? Yes, tell me. Achaemenian pillar is fluted and it is what? Monolith. And then I said that elephant from Dhauli. What is it? वो half portion पूरा यहाँ से यहाँ तक निकला हुआ है. This is the Dhauli. And then bull capital Rampurva. Bull capital, it is statue of humped bill and strong legs, sensitive nostrils and all. And then I said the Chauri bearer Yakshini. Chauri bearer, do you understand? In front of the king there will be someone who tried to give what is an air. Yes or not? So that the wind can go. And then that is known as a Chauri bearer. And then you can see in the Patna Didarganj, and it is in the museum. The figure is there. Very fine, it is, you can consider like very well polished. I said that 5 foot 4 inch, such a height. A statue carved out of a single piece of limestone, and the Indian ideal of feminine beauty lies in her curvy figure and slender waist and then broad hips. जो क्लॉथ्स रहते हैं, it is in a kind of what? Traps. Understood? So Didarganj में what we have seen that Yakshini, and then it is also having a what? Chauri bearer. Post-Mauryan period. In the post-Mauryan period, there is I said that in the Mauryan period is considered as yes, tell me, golden age of sculpture. Post-Mauryan period, what we have got? There is Mathura school and Amravati school. Which are the school we have seen? Gandhara, Mathura, and then the Gandhara and Mathura both are patronized by Kushanas. Both are patronized by Kushanas. And Amravati were patronized by, I said that, Satvahana. Who has patronized? Satvahanas. Understood it? And then, yaad hoga aap logon ko? Yes. And then I said that, first I said Gandhara school. We are going to see. And it is flourished during the Kushana rule, it was highly influenced by Greek and Roman Empire. अच्छा, यहाँ पे बुद्धास को बनाया जाएगा तो कैसा बनाएंगे लोग? How do these people will make? How do these people will make? How do these people will make? Yes? Huh? It is similar to which one I said that? कैसे बनेगा? कैसे बनेगा? वहां के जो गॉड हैं उन्हीं के फीचर्स के बेसिस पे बनेगा. द गॉड ऑफ बैटरीज, अपोलो, field feature, well built. Buddha is looking like something like the bodybuilder person. Yes. So, and then the two dress are, it is falling from here. So I said that it is flourished during the Kushana rule. It was highly influenced by Greek and wavy hair. वहाँ पे लोगों का कैसा बाल बनाते हैं? Wavy hair and both shoulders, foot, both, and then draperies covering from both the shoulders, and footwear representation of Buddha as the Greek god Apollo. And where the common feature which resemble the Greek art. तो रोमन और ग्रीक आर्ट में ये क्या है? These are what is a common feature है that they are trying to what is to make that god like what is Apollo. And the Roman influence was evident for the representation of youthful and impressive. और जब रोमन जो बनाएंगे कैसा बनाएंगे? They will be what is youthful and then completely like a king. Completely like a what? King. So it is known as what? Which youthful and imperial, and which rock they have used? Just tell me. Grey slate. Which rock they have used for making it? Grey slate. याद रहेगा आपको? Which slate I said that? और slate कैसे बनता है? छोड़ो. Shale, schist and slate. Shale, schist, and thereafter. So the images represent the calmness and spirituality. ध्यान में रखिएगा. Which word I said that? Spirituality. And according to you, Mathura should have any spirituality? There is no spirituality in the Mathura school of sculpture. So generally we have to make this kind of, generally Mathura is this kind of where the Krishna and all, the spirituality तो होना चाहिए, but it is not. So remember that, ध्यान से रखेंगे. The images represent spirituality, and then Bamiyan, Jalalabad and Gandhar. And if you see that there is and this is I said that Pakistan, and thereafter there is Afghanistan. There is I said that Bamiyan, this is I said that Jalalabad, and this is I said that Gandhar. So Bamiyan, Jalalabad and Gandhar in Afghanistan. So which are the, what is the example of this Gandhara? Bamiyan, Jalalabad, गांधार. तो हमने ब्राह्मण को मिला दिया क्योंकि उसमें से गंध आ रहा था. क्या आ रहा था? गंध आ रहा था. ब्राह्मण को मैंने क्या किया? जनरली जहां से गंध आता है तो हमारे इंडिया में लोग क्या करते हैं? तो ब्राह्मण से गंध आ रहा था, सो जला दिया, ब्राह्मण को जला दिया. सो आई सेड दैट बामियान, जलालाबाद एंड Gandhar. So understood about which school we have seen? Yes, tell me fast. Gandhara school of art. So which influence is there? Greek and Roman. And then we have been able to see on the basis of Greek there is an Apollo kind of god. They have this kind of structure they have made. And if you see on the basis of Romans there is a youthful and what? कैसा दिख रहा था? Youthful completely. And then features it is like what is an imperial, like a Raja. And then we have seen calmness and spirituality. Calmness and then we been able to see कहाँ पे देखेंगे हम? Yes, tell me. Bamiyan, Jalalabad. So which are the two influences in the Gandhara school of art? Greek and Roman influence. And what is the, I said Greek influence? It is a very Greek thought like this, and youthful and imperial it is a Roman. Then we are able to see which one? Mathura. And then it is in a indigenous. इसको ही पता है मथुरा school of art is in a which kind of art? Indigenous school of art. And use of a spotted red sandstone. Which sandstone? Spotted. Which red sandstone? Spotted red sandstone. And then its prominent feature of this school. Spotted रेड सैंडस्टोन. ग्रे स्लेट कहां पे यूज किया? गंधारा. अब ग्रे से कौन सा कलर हो गया? एंड रे के बाद विच कलर इट विल बी देयर? व्हाइट मार्बल. अमरावती. ग्रे स्लेट वेयर इट इज? टेल मी, ग्रे स्लेट वेयर इट इज? ये छोटी से एक लाइन मिल जाता है ना, अमरावती में, बच्चे याद कर लेते हैं, अमरावती में मार्बल था एंड देन देयर इज एन आई सेड दैट मथुरा में रेड सैंडस्टोन एंड देन ग्रे स्लेट. इतने हैप्पी हो जाते हैं ना. ये छोटा सा इन्फॉर्मेशन है. मैं तो आप लोगों को हजारों इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहा हूं, तो आप लोग क्या थक गए हो? सो लेट मी गिव यू मेनी मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन. And then the information of I'm not giving information, I'm trying to make you remember. Yes or not? Greek क्या थे? Yes or not? Greeks are gods, Apollo god. Romans, I said that youthful and yes, imperial, like a Raja kind of it. And then it is under the patronized by Gandhara is patronized by Kushanas, patronized by, and then Mathura school is patronized by Kushanas. So that use of spotted is the prominent feature of this school. It is not a